Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. So in this video we are going to talk about the anti-air arena team. So here I am not using any PS or Lords or anything like Brightest Ingrid or any other team. So I am using Yuri as my main damage dealer and Silas and Hatsut as my secondary damage dealer and Beelzebub I am using for slow and Diao Chan for the sun. And Silas is in Infernal role set and he has around like 15.5k attack and 354 crit damage. He's in good gear and he has like maxed out Spirit Siphon. And the next one is like Hatsut is in Soulbound Arcana. And she's also like in good gear, 16k attack and like 300 crit damage. And she is in maxed out IK of Chalice, which I use for Gear Dungeon 2. I have never changed that. That's been the artifact. And the Beelzebub is here for slows, and also he is in like Invigoration to provide Hatsut, mostly the attack bonus. And he's in this basic gear, not any good gear, and he has his own exclusive. And Yuri is like kind of MVP here, so he is in very good Soulbound Arcana set. And she has around like 14.2 get attack and 346 crit damage and 45 rage regen. And I have put like this bright colors claw for her, like which increase single target damage and like after basic attacks there is a 50% chance to deal 100% physical damage. Because I think in her ultimate, like if you see like the normal attack is two or something, but this is a single target one. It attacks one enemy, it kills, and then moves on to the next one. So basically, this is a single target attack which deals more damage. So that's why I thought like I'll put this artifact and see like to increase her damage, and I think it is better. And finally, Diao Chan is our inspiration unit, and she is also an Invig. She will provide inspiration to this Yuri. Okay, so she is also a normal Invig gear and her own exclusive. That's the team. Okay, let's start with the fight. So this is like the team setup. I'll explain how the team setup is being done. So this time Anti-Air Arena is comparatively harder than the previous map. So earlier I think it was quite easy if you had the damage, but now there are like more and more enemies coming. So first I put Yuri in this leftmost, or sorry, the rightmost tail, and like I alt with her whenever like it's available. And as soon as Diochan is available, I just put her in this rightmost tail so that she can give in the inspiration to like all the units. And I just move to her inspiration mode. And then as soon as Silas is available, I put him on the top. Yes, here. So since my Diochan is A1, she will be able to provide inspiration to all the units Silas and Yuri. And when the third wave comes, like I normally wait till all the enemies arrive because like if I start somehow like the initial this guys escape. So if we wait till like all the guys arrive, then I think I'll be able to do the damage. And as soon as mm, Hatsit is available, I just put her in between Dio-chan and Yuri. So this wave, like which is wave 4, this only has this three enemies. So this wave, like I'm not using any ultimates or like except for Hatsuit. So this will be comparatively slower compared to your enemies. Okay, I'm not using Silas ultimate here. If I use, I won't be able to get it back before the sixth wave, I think, which has like four enemies which are quite tanky and I need Silas for them. And then at last I put Beelzebub in the last one. He provides Invict to Hatsut. Okay, now for this wave, I alter theory and she'll be able to delete most of them. And like with the slows from Beelzebub, I think Silas and Hatsut will be able to kill all the other enemies. Okay, now is the tricky part starts. Okay, so this first wave, this has only four enemies and they are quite tanky, so need good damage. So I am using my Silas ult here and I'm not using anyone else's ult here. So he'll be able to kill all these four. And now the next wave has 14 enemies. So here, like I start with Yuri, he'll be able to kill some, but not many. And when most of them reaches near Hatsut, I ult with Hatsut and kill most of them, and then I just do the cleanup. Okay, so now we have two more waves. These are like there are too many enemies, and those tanky guys are also there. So here I ult with Beelzebub to slow them and like pull them towards Hatsut or like towards Beelzebub, and then they all do Fury and Silas like whenever they are also available. So here I am keeping Hatsuto ultimate for the next wave. Okay, so when the next wave starts, like Yuri is almost 60, 65 rage, and like she builds rage faster. Okay, so whenever like her ultimate is available, I trigger her, and then most of the guys are near to Hatsut, I trigger Hatsut's one also. Yeah, we trigger this. And whenever Beelzebub comes available, I just use that to pull them together. All these guys, he pulls them together. And then he slows them and pull them together so that like Silas and Yuri's ultimate I use and then once that suit is available I can use that also. What Yuri building. Okay. So this is pretty much the fight. It's quite tricky like if you don't have like Paratus, Ingrid or those kind of heroes. And even I don't have EOR. I had recently pulled Aracha, but that is not helping. So this is a team which I could find which is fitting the best. Okay, so let me fight one team. So this Prete Singer team, like it is tricky. So I'll fight this one. Hmm. So they have like quite good amount of damage. Okay. Nyx is a good AoE. So here AoE marksmen are very good like, because they will deal more and more damages. But I don't have my Nyx skilled up or anything, so I don't think that will be back. So if you see here, initially we will be getting some advantage due to Yuri's ultimate where she kills all the enemies. Second wave, I think will be slower. Or yeah, here also we won, but we won't be getting that much of an advantage. And third wave also, like we should be able to kill them soon. Now this is the wave four is the wave like where we'll be lagging behind. So the enemy has used Silas ultimate here. So he won't be able to get his ultimate back on the wave six. Okay. So now if you see this wave 6, Silas ultimate is needed. So this is where Silas ultimate is too much needed. Mm, That's it. Okay, so I'll upload some more fights. Please let me know if you have any comments or any suggestions to improve this. Thanks, guys, and please like and subscribe. Please watch the fights if you are interested. Thanks.